is day 3 here in Whistler. I cooked my ankle on a berm yesterday pretty bad, and it is definitely very sore and black and blue and swollen. But today is the day we're supposed to go ride the top of the world, which is the epic ride from like the very top of Whistler all the way to the bottom. And so I think I'm gonna try to bike. Probably just pop a bunch of Advil, wrap it up really tight, and hope for the best. I suppose I'll just take a warm-up lap, and if it feels good, then I think we're gonna cruise up to the top. So hopefully the next time you see me, we're like on our way up. Good luck to me. All right, so we are on our way to the top.
We are, dudes.
Matt's over there.
I'm hitting. Wow.
There he is.
It was hot in another gondola. It's even hotter in this one. It's gonna hop to the top of the world.
We're going up this gondola, and then we gotta take this one more chair to the top of the world.
No shit.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another.
Like up this like cliff face.
Yeah. Of sight.
So far the ankle feels okay.
Hell yeah!
So we're just gonna roll with it for now. But
Yeah, so
I'm
far,
pumped.
Not a lot of travel. Come up right here and do that.
Okie dokie. We got one more chair to go up. But we up here.
On top of the world.
Alright, so we gotta go down over there, and then we're gonna go up like up there, way up there. Okay. Here we go. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Alright, put that bar down, Mark. Sick.
Alrighty, fellas. I'll take a sip of that, please. So what's the elevation?
I bet there'll be a sign at the top.
Can you ski down on this?
Yeah.
Oh, it must be cold in here.
Oh yeah.
We made it. This is top of the world.
How was that chairlift ride, Mark?
Pretty freaking scary, to be honestly. It was scary. My stomach was like, yes! I was puckered. Matt wouldn't turn around. No. I turned around once.
Wow.
That was enough. Not doing that again.
So I want to go walk out on that bridge. What's it say, Matt?
It's 101 steel modules on this biatch.
Okay.
It's transported in by K-Max helicopter.
Oh, dude, the K-Max. Ah, scary fly. What an epic helicopter, the K-Max. Shout out to K-Max. I literally have no idea how we get down, so this should be interesting. All right, guys, let's go get a shot in the Olympic thing to prove we're here. All right, here we go.
You want to follow Matt, Dave?
No, I'll follow you, Mark.
All right, let's see how this goes.
You got to top of the world, dropping in from the very top of Whistler Mountain. Oh yeah. Man, that guy that was covered all in like pro gear just did this so easily. I thought for sure I'd be about the same as him. Ah, right. Wrong gear. That's crazy. This is sick. Yeah, at all. Ooh.
That is no joke.
That was some serious beans, Mark.
Whoop!
That was insane.
You know, I watched a video of someone doing it before I decided to come do it. I was like, oh, that looks alright. It still looks alright, but typical GoPro effect. Yeah, Mark. Ah! It's a good motto for life. Oh yeah. That is some chunky monkey right there. Might need to give these boys a little more space. Oh, these guys are probably gonna go by us.
I need to make sure my GoPro's on. Yeah, I do want to downshift. Holy.
We're going again.
Wow.
Following Mark's line, trying not to go off trail. Alrighty. Oh my god, these views are so sick. Dave. Holy shit. All right.
Unlike anything else.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh boys.
Anybody rim digging away? Yeah, totally. My derailleur has seen better days. Uphill. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, you gonna be riding Squamish? How's that derailleur gonna ride Squam?
That's just need a vice grip.
Top of the world, babes. Wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. They even got berms up here. Oh yeah. God damn. As soon as you let off the brakes a little bit, you were in the fucking boonies.
Wait!
Inside, outside, in and around. Full wall ride. Whoop. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. Fucking hell. That was loose. Alright. Oh yeah. Threads and neat though. That's what I call high alpine riding. Freaking sick. So fun. Let off the brakes a little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're moving. Oh boy. There we go. We're letting it slide a little bit. Okay. So far the ankle is holding together. Bit of a concern this morning, but you know, pop a bunch of Advil and just see how it goes. Holy fuck, that was a little chunk ball. Whew. Fun shit. No line. They call me no line because I don't know what the fuck is going on ever. Whoa, that kicked my butt right up on me. Yeah, Mark. Get me, buddy. Holy fuck, there's a rock there. Holy shit, that was fun.
Dude, those swoops.
Beep. Beep, beep, beep. How you guys liking this high alpine riding?
Dude, I love
It's
this.
sick.
Reminds me of home.
Home. Alright, a little jumpy. Yes, indeedy. This is a fun trail. Okay, over here. Oh yeah. I gotta say, I'm banging my rim. Whoa! Woo! Swing around. Woohoo! Holy fuck, boys.
Wow.
Hit the road. What's going on? Bro, you missed that? Amateur.
Amateur. Novice. Oh yeah. Give those guys, there's a group up there.
Oh, that was fun.
Marcus Lamonis. Whoa. Check out the unbeat people.
Dude, oh Matt, there's a tree over there. Matt went to the bushes.
No.
He's all right. He just got a little nutted by a tree, it looked like.
Following the Marcus.
Yeah, Mark was flying in there.
GoPro effect.
The GoPro effect.
All right. See what we got coming up here.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I get used to this. Float in the rear wheel. Woo! Let her eat. Floater. Make sure everybody's living.
So fucking fun. You get Mark?
Yeah, buddy. Little floater. Just ate a bug. A little protein for my ride. I'm gonna launch this and hope it works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good riding right here. That's what you call good riding. Put myself in the rut. And let everybody catch up. Lean to mean. Oh my God.
That was fun.
Oh man.
Whoops and boops.
Yep.
And
And the bibbity bobbities and boos. Yep. I'll roll through then. Bring her on in. Howdy. What? Oh. See how this goes. This is sick. Side now.
Stay on guard. We go garbanzo zone.
That was so fun.
Whoa. All right. Una más. Yeah, I think we're about to drop down in the gondola. Sack. Cool. Oh shit. Well, that was fun. That was awesome.
That wall thing. Weird stuff. All right.
Whoa, what is that, a weather station? Ah, fuck. Okay.
Epic. The most amazing thing I've ever done.
So that ride, we were literally just started way up there and rode all the way down to where we are now, which is the top of where we normally.
And the most amazing thing was the variety of trail. Like incredible rock tech, into flow, berms, tacky dirt. Like, where did that come from?
Yeah,
And then like mock chicken straight runs. It's like incredible.
it's so sick.
So cool.
Oh, worth it. Go to the top if you're ever in Whistler. Holy crap.
Absolutely. The best 24th Canadian I've ever spent.
Hands down.